good morning, my all lovely students. How are you all? Fine, that's great. I am also good. So students, again look here. What is day today? 1/5/15. Today is 15 July 2021. Today the date is 15 July 2021. And today the day is Thursday. What is day today? Today is Thursday. Our subject is maths. In subject maths today we will do the concept of behind and in front of. Behind means पीछे, in front of means आपके सामने. For example, this is your maths notebook and this is a color bottle. Okay, now this color bottle is in front of this maths book. Now this color bottle is behind this book. I am also behind this book. Okay, now the book is behind me. Now you can see I am behind this book. Now see this pencil. This pencil is in front of this book. The position of the pencil is in front of this book. Now the position of the pencil is behind this book. Okay, now this book is in front of this green book. This maths book is in front of this green board. What is in front and behind? Position. It tells you the position कि वो कहाँ पर है. This maths book is in front of this green board. Now this book is behind this green board. The maths book is behind this green board. In front and now it is behind this green board. Okay, so I am telling the position. Behind means सामने and behind means पीछे, in front of means आपके सामने. So now I want to show you more examples through the PPT. Then you will do one page of your maths book. Let's start.
So students, our topic is behind and in front of. Now students, here you can see a girl and a boy. The girl is standing behind the curtain. The girl is standing behind the curtain and the boy is standing in front of the curtain. Behind and in front, they are telling the position. Behind is telling the position of this girl. In front of is telling the position of this boy, where they are standing. Behind and in front of. Next picture is, now here you can see a bear. In the first picture, the bear is standing in front of the house. In front, सामने खड़ा है, in front of the house. And in the another picture, the bear is standing behind the tree. Behind. In front, look the picture carefully. In front, behind. Next. Now, here you can see a house and a animal. This animal is standing in front of the house. Okay, and in the next picture the animal is behind. The animal is behind the fence. Okay, in front, and another picture showing the position behind. Here you can see two mouse. The first is in front of this cube, this block. Okay, and the another is behind the block. In front, behind. Next. Now here we can see two children are playing together. The boy is standing behind the tree. The boy is standing behind the tree and the girl is standing in front of the tree. Okay, behind, in front. Next. Now, this is your book page, page number 109. And our topic is behind and in front of. First, you have to write down today's date, 15 July 2021. Now, our first question, read the sentences and tick the correct picture. Now, all of you just read along with me. Read. The mouse is behind the pot. The mouse is behind the pot. Now here you can see two pictures. In first picture, the mouse is behind the pot. And in the next picture, the mouse is in front of the pot. So you have to put a tick mark on behind the pot. Okay. Now read the next one. Read along with me. The cow is in front of the hay. The cow is in front of the hay. Now tell me in which picture the cow is standing in front of the hay? The first one. जो पहली picture है, in this picture the cow is standing in front of the hay. So you have to put a tick mark in this box. Now the next is paste the sticker of a bicycle in front of the house. Now you have to take out the sticker from the back side of your book and then you have to paste that sticker in front of this house. In this way you have to complete this activity. Complete this work, click the photograph, send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.